All right, guys, pretty exciting news this afternoon. We got a teaser picture from Arrma, and it looks like they're going to be releasing a new vehicle tomorrow morning. There's not a lot of information in this teaser picture, but let's take a look at what they do show us. Before we talk about that, I want to invite you guys to subscribe to my channel. We've got a lot of really cool stuff coming up. We're going to be doing some pretty overboard upgrades to my sledge. We've got some new gears going in the X-Max, got some brand new cars headed my way, and a lot more news and reviews. So get subscribed so you don't miss that. All right, let's take a look at this picture. So once again, not a lot of information here, but they show a date on here, and as you can see, the 8 on the date is in a different color than the rest of the letters, which leads me to believe this is going to be an 8S vehicle, which is a pretty exciting thing because they haven't released a new 8S vehicle in quite some time. Now, whether it's going to be an on-road vehicle or an off-road vehicle hasn't been shown, of course, but they do show kind of a dirt road. So this leads me to believe that they might be releasing an 8S Infraction or an 8S Felony based on the 8S platform. Of course, Arrma has been known to be a bit misleading with their teasers, so it might not be an on-road vehicle. Given that the 8S EXB line was recently discontinued, I wouldn't be surprised if we see a new 8S EXB coming out. The question with that would be, of course, would they be doing a roller or would they be doing an RTR? It seems like Arrma has been trending towards RTRs with their EXB line, so I think it would be an RTR. Of course, this is all conjecture, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on it, so let me know down in the comments what you think's coming out in the morning. Let me know what you want to see. Do you want to see an 8S on-road vehicle, a new 8S off-road vehicle, a roller, RTR? I'd really love to hear your thoughts. All right, guys, that's all we've got for now. Be sure to join me tomorrow when Arrma releases the rest of the information about this new vehicle. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you then.